Hi, this is Stan from Stan for Adventure. My channel is geared towards the new adventure rider, which is what I am. I'm not new to motorcycles. I've been riding those all my life, but I am new to the adventure world, and the bike I decided to buy is the GSA 1250. Today I'm going to be reviewing a pair of mesh pants that I bought from wickedstock.com. I'll put a link down below. I bought these pants because I just wanted something lighter than the full-on heavy armored pants that I got when I bought my bike. These pants have tremendous amounts of airflow. It has mesh panels here up the top, along the side, down the bottom, on both sides, and almost all the way down the backs of the legs. I rode my bike today. It was a little chilly, but it wasn't so cold that I needed, the big heavy pants. So I wore these with just a undergarment. The pants are made of 600 Denier polyester with protective armor in the hips and on the knees, which is removable and adjustable. I take it out when I want to wash the pants, throw the pants in the washer, and then just let them air dry. The pants has a zipper in the back to connect to your jacket, if your jacket's equipped with that. It's got Velcro to cinch around your waist on both sides. It also has adjustments down here at the ankles, and it zips open for to get your big adventure boots in. It has two pockets. I carry a little bit of cash, the key for my keyless ride, and that's all I really need in the pants pockets. I also wear them when I ride my dirt bike. I have taken some falls on the dirt bike and a couple little scuffs. That's about it. I highly recommend these pants. The price point on them was great. They fit true to size according to the sizing chart on the website. My only real negative about these pants is that it's only CE rated armor, which is fine. That's what keeps the price down. That's what keeps the weight down. You could replace it with more hardcore armor if you really want it. But for getting around town, you don't want to be encumbered with the big heavy gear. These pants are perfect. That's really about it for now. If you liked the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and come on back to Stand for Adventure.